Pinatawag kami ni Coach sa may pool.
Hey, Linda, being a team captain, no, I'm saying this personally and group at the same time and seriously, because we end up, we're only 9. Basically, 9. You always walk alone or walk out in the team.
So I was missing because I forgot to tell Minda that I was going to the CR. Because I didn't know if they had any CR near the poolside or anything, so I just went up to my room real quick and then I came down.
And then most of your teammates are looking for you most of the time, but there are others who will be present. Okay? All of us looking for you. And we need you as a team. Okay? Group B. You guys, anybody's? Okay? Okay? We're going to be there. We're going to fight. We're going to enjoy the team.
Time for the race!
Team Pilipinas!
Our team is strong. Andun yung member ng sa may Dragon Boat team. Andun si Gabby de la Merced. Andun yung sila Minda. Very athletic lahat.
Good morning, team.
Good morning!
Pahinga ba kayo?
Yes.
Yeah, sobra. Sakto. Wala naman problema?
Wala naman.
So more or less, magkakakilala na talaga kayong teammates.
Yes.
This is very important in our game. Okay? At this point, we are going to choose a team captain. Remember, a team captain is responsible for your team. The team captain, we will follow when he orders. The team captain will be responsible to me. Nakapili na kayo ng team captain?
Yes.
Sino?
Hardy also Taffy.
Sa amin, hindi na nagkaroon ng butuhan. Automatic. Ako yung team captain kasi I acted that way na rin. At the same time, kahit nasa Pilipinas pa lang kami.
Hardy. Alright. So, palapakan natin si Hardy. Meron na ba kayong team name?
Yes!
Ano? Streetwise! Alright. So, Team Streetwise, are you ready?
Yes!
Who's got wings?
We do!
Who's got wings?
We do!
Ready to fly?
Streetwise!
Well, hindi na ako nagulat na team captain si Hardy. Dahil hindi ko alam kung team captain lang gusto niya o team leader ng buong team yung gusto niya. Dahil lahat naman minamandoan niya. Akala ko nga siya yung papalit kay Richard Gomez.
I'd like to find out kung nakapili na kayo ng team captain.
Pero ba?
Sino?
Cassie!
Nung bata pa ako, mahiyain ako. Dahil lang talaga sa sports, lumabas yung characteristics ko. Naging confident ako, na-build yung self-esteem ko. And I'm happy with the fact that my teammates see that as well.
Meron pa kayong pangalan sa team? Ano?
Katipaneros!
At kami ang may pinakamahabang cheer. Okay?
Sige nga.
Ready, guys?
Ready, guys?
Tayo mga Katipaneros! Laban! Huddle tayo! Huddle!
Haba, di ba?
Okay. Sa dalawa, tatlo! Katipaneros! Laban!
Yung nakagawa na sila ng pangalan ng team namin at humarap na kami kay Richard, siyempre masaya.
Team Sea Pirates, good morning.
Morning!
This is your big day. Are you ready?
Ready!
Okay. Last night, nakapili tayo ng team captain. Second team captain natin.
Hindi ko na rin alam kung ano nangyari kasi bigla nagkaroon na lang rin kami ng team leader si Eko. Sa akin naman walang problema. Okay naman sa akin sa Eko.
Marami na rin naman akong hinawakan ng mga ganyang mga games na ako yung tumatayong leader sa work, sa mga ibang bagay. Diba parang sa akin, parang challenge to.
And then the team name is Sea Pirates.
Yes!
Meron na kayong chant?
Yes!
Meron.
Pakinggan natin chant nyo.
5, 6, 7, 8. C, 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 C. Sige!
most important today is that you're physically ready for the competition. You are mentally prepared to win.
Yes,
Spiritually, and you have the will to win today.
Yes!
Kaya? Good luck, guys. I'll see you tonight.
From dun sa part na yun, alam ko ng pukpukan na to.
Let's go to the bus. Let's go, Team Pilipinas.
Ahoy, Philippines! Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And this is the biggest game show in the world, Asia. 4 countries, 12 teams, 120 participants. Philippines! Vietnam. Thailand and Indonesia. Christopher Gomez, and this is the biggest game show in the world, Asia.
O paano po? Here's my biggest invitation. Ay, totoo po yan. Ito na ang pinakamalaking imbitasyon ko sa inyo to watch the biggest game show in the world, Asia. Next Sunday, umpisa na ng mga laro at talagang lalaban na yung Team Pilipinas dyan. Malalaman nyo na, marami tayong teams dyan, mga 3 yan. Streetwise, Tiponeros, yan, mga ganyan. Basta, surprise na lang, malalaman nyo yan. Okay? Yung Pirates, meron pa tayo dyan. Tandaan nyo, the biggest invitation is yours to watch the biggest game show in the world, Asia, right after Talentadong Pinoy. Puro biggest talaga to. Ang saya nito. Exciting. Maiinis ka, maiiyak ka, saka tatawa. Okay, mga kaibigan, narito po. Pagsawaan nyo, the biggest game show in the world, Asia, sample, pasilip, watch.
Hindi nila alam, mas maloko tayo sa kanila.
Mga kaibigan, ang lulupit ng mga players dito dahil matitindi yung palaro eh. Kailangan matindi yung players, matindi yung mga palaro. Kasing lupit ng mga makakasama ko dito ngayon. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin at kawawa naman. Mr. Fu at Long Mejia! Oo, ay gusto ko itong game na ito. Ito talaga, mabilis, tsaka paspas agad.
3, 2, 1, go!
Parang ano to, trip to Jerusalem. Ito trip to Malaysia.
Tayo! One more, go!
Trip to Malaysia to. Ayan, ang naglalaro. Ay!
Na-misplace yung knee-pad ko. Kung isa pa lang, may sugat.
Napakahirap ng game para kay Charisse. Kami nga ako nga, natumba ako ilang beses dun eh. Tumatayo lang eh.
Ang Pilipino magaling mag-football.
Mahirap siya.
Sino yun? Ay, nauna tayo, ha? Nauna yan.
Talon, baby! Baby, talon!
Ina!
Dali! Ay!
Hindi na!
Madaya yun, ha?
Ina! Sina!
Tinula.
Ay, Sina! Sino po?
Upo! Dali!
Sina!
Panalo kami! Nakita niyo ba yun?
Good time!
tayo next Sunday sa pinakamasaya at pinakabongga. May ganun. Okay. Biggest game show in